Hey, this is Roger. I'm in the Lennar section of Millbridge, and as you probably know, I'm a big Millbridge fan. So many things to love about Millbridge. Lennar is one of the builders back towards the rear. They've got a number of specs. There's a 2-story, and then this one looks like a basement home. We'll look at it from the back. But here on lot 1104, there's an awful lot of style. The way that dormer comes up and the pitch of those roofs, awful lot of style to this one. And this is one of their rare master down plans. They built some amazing ranch plans, but they're not building a lot of that here in Millbridge. But they do have a master down plan for those that, hey, maybe you've got grandkids here in Millbridge and you're not ready for a ranch plan yet. I believe this one's called the INLET. I could be wrong, but you've got an office or a treadmill room up towards the front. There's some nice arches, coat closet here, a little bit of a narthex for a table or some furnishings. And as you come into this plan, this one's site specific, of course. You've got a powder room up to the front, which is handy. And then you've got the stairway that comes off there. And then this open concept floor plan with an island right there. And then as you come in, you've got your refrigerator up against that wall. Good sized pantry right there, coming in from the garage. And then you've got this island, which will be situated here. Gas cooktop right there. And then looking out this way. You know, Millbridge, I'm thinking about a couple I had that moved from New York down to Florida and then came halfway back. We call them halfbacks. And I showed them 55 plus neighborhoods and they liked them. But when they saw the Millbridge Amenity Center, they bought a 1.5-story home, but a great looking house right here. And the amenity center was a lot. We want to be able to bring our grandkids here. So now this is interesting because look at that space behind there. This is the worst of the time of the year because these, in other words, it'll get much greener and better. So, I mean, I think it's beautiful now, but look at all this extra space that you have. Now, they built this wall up as part of this basement foundation on this house next door, 1105, and which is available at this particular moment. And we could reasonably expect that our backyard is going to be not too different from that one, but they do a final grade, etc. But it does definitely fall off at some point back there. So if you're in the market to relocate to Charlotte and you're looking for a house, I sure would love to be your buyer's agent. My services to you are free because the seller pays my fee. And there's really something for everyone. And what I mean by that is there's a linen closet and there's a laundry room. For instance, Lennar, they're really strong on 2-story, a lot of value in here. D.R. Horton the same, but they've got quite a few ranch plans in one section here at the back of Millbridge also. So this is a master on the main level. And I don't have the exact pricing right now. In fact, believe it or not, I'm shooting this for a client out of town that's considering this for purchase. And the nice thing about that for me is I can also include this in my inventory on YouTube for you two sinks. And by the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, why? Click the bell for notification about new videos. And here's why that could be helpful. Maybe this is you. Hey, the forest is on fire and I've got to get out of here. You may be saying, hey, I'm in New York, I've got taxes, I got snow, I got to get out of here. So a house like this, let's say that hits the market, a guy like me can help you find out what's available and then help you purchase it, whether you fly in for that or whether we do a contract via digital signature. I'm using video to help people understand exactly what's available. So stair treads, now see, this is nice here. This is that light coming in. Boy, this space is fantastic. This is a big loft, guys. So again, maybe you have kids in Millbridge, Waxhaw somewhere, and you want a master down plan. This one could be just the one for you. So we've got a bedroom here with a closet, of course. So we got that first bedroom down. This is our second bedroom. I count on my fingers, guys. Here's one. Man, is this a bedroom? Sure is. I stopped counting, I got distracted. It's got a lot of light coming in, it's big. And this particular one has its own ensuite bath. So that's killer right there. So, you know, you want to master down, you got a returning college grad, I guess I'm gonna have to count on as I back myself out here. My cell number is 704-345-3400. There's bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 off to the left. Nice big one with an ensuite. Huge, huge loft. Bedroom 4 is right here, and then bedroom 5. I can't believe they got all that in this house here in Millbridge from Lennar. Don't call the agent there, call me. I'd like to be your buyer's agent and help you in your transition. We might buy from them, we might buy from MI, we might buy from DR Horton. I'm trying to focus on some kids out there playing ball, having trouble getting it to fire. But there's the streetscape, guys. Can't wait to talk to you soon.